In the tempest of nature's fury, Turkey finds itself exposed to the relentless onslaught of horrific monster windstorms, an ominous force that unveils a tale of disaster and resilience. As the winds howl and rage, sweeping across the diverse landscapes of this historically rich nation, the consequences are far-reaching and profound. From ancient cities to modern metropolises, the gusts reveal vulnerabilities that challenge the very fabric of Turkey's preparedness and fortitude. In a recent twist of nature's fury, severe storms have unleashed chaos across Turkey, leaving 9 people dead and casting a shroud of uncertainty over the fate of 11 individuals who remain missing after a cargo ship sank in the tempestuous waters of the Black Sea. This harrowing incident unfolded as the Turkish-flagged Kafkametler, en route to the western port of Izmir, succumbed to the relentless assault of wind and waves. The vessel's tragic fate was sealed off the town of Eregli, approximately 200 kilometers east of Istanbul, where it collided repeatedly with a breakwater before succumbing to the unforgiving depths. The storm's intensity not only claimed the ship, but also hindered immediate rescue efforts, as severe weather conditions thwarted the search and rescue operation for several critical hours.
Lan sen yardım et ya, giriş katta oturanlara, bodrum katta oturanlara.
The storm's grip gradually loosened. Rescuers embarked on a daunting mission that led to the discovery of the ship's cook, the first victim identified in this maritime tragedy. The loss of life extended beyond the sinking ship, with at least 3 casualties reported in Eregli, while an additional 5 lives were claimed in the southeastern provinces of Diyarbakir and Batman. Tragically, among the deceased were a grandmother and her 3 grandchildren, victims of floodwaters unleashed by the heavy rains. The storms didn't discriminate, leaving around 50 people injured in their wake. The maritime chaos further unfolded with the Cameroon-flagged Pallada, which, battered by 5-meter waves, broke into 2 after running aground near Eregli. Miraculously, all 13 crew members were rescued, a glimmer of hope amid the widespread devastation. The impact rippled beyond the seas, reaching Eregli's prison, where rising water levels prompted the urgent transfer of inmates to nearby facilities. It's a testament to the storm's severity when even the confines of the prison were deemed unsafe due to the unpredictable surge in water levels. Neighboring Bulgaria bore witness to the storm's ferocity, as gale-force winds, heavy rain, and snow claimed the lives of 2 individuals and disrupted power supplies. The Black Sea city of Varna declared a state of emergency, grappling with the aftermath of nature's unrelenting onslaught. As Turkey grapples with the aftermath of this turbulent tragedy, questions loom about the nation's preparedness and resilience in the face of severe weather events. The stories of those who lost their lives, the valiant rescue efforts, and the broader impact on communities paint a vivid picture of the challenges faced when nature unleashes its wrath. In the middle of this calamity, the spirit of unity and resilience emerges. From the daring rescuers battling the elements to the communities rallying together in the face of adversity, the human response to tragedy reflects a collective determination to weather the storm and rebuild what has been lost. If we highlight the points, we will see what happened to them. Disrupted transportation networks. The severe storms wreaked havoc on Turkey's transportation networks, particularly maritime routes. The sinking of the Turkish-flagged Kafkametler and the subsequent breakage of the Cameroon-flagged Pallada underscore the vulnerability of shipping lanes during extreme weather conditions. These disruptions not only impact the immediate rescue and recovery efforts, but also have broader implications for the movement of goods and people. Emergency measures and evacuations. The rising water levels in Iregli prompted emergency measures, including the evacuation of inmates from the local prison to safer facilities. This highlights the swift and critical decision-making required in the face of natural disasters, as authorities work to ensure the safety of vulnerable populations. Humanitarian impact. Beyond the immediate casualties, the storms triggered a humanitarian crisis, leaving numerous individuals injured and communities grappling with the aftermath. The loss of life, injuries, and displacement of residents paint a somber picture of the human toll exacted by the windstorm, necessitating not only immediate relief efforts, but also long-term support for those affected. Environmental consequences. The force of the windstorm, coupled with heavy rains, may have environmental repercussions. Potential issues such as soil erosion, water contamination, and damage to ecosystems could emerge, adding an ecological dimension to the challenges faced by the affected regions.
Authority.
Challenges in search and rescue operations. The delayed search and rescue operations due to the storm's severity highlight the challenges faced by emergency responders in adverse weather conditions. The need for enhanced preparedness and rapid response strategies becomes evident, emphasizing the importance of investing in resources and technology to navigate and mitigate such challenges. International cooperation. The sinking of the cargo ship Palada, flagged from Cameroon, emphasizes the international dimension of the storm's impact. Collaborative efforts between nations become crucial in addressing the aftermath of such disasters, including coordinating rescue missions, providing aid, and sharing resources to expedite recovery. Economic repercussions. The disruptions to transportation, infrastructure, and the loss of lives can have significant economic repercussions. Beyond the immediate costs of rescue and recovery, the long-term impact on local economies, businesses, and the livelihoods of those affected by the storm will need careful consideration and planning.
District.
Oha. Ya oha. Bebek.
Aber lieber du.
Tyle, z toho se to urvalo střechu! No do hajzlu!
Climate change. Considerations. While individual weather events cannot be directly attributed to climate change, the increasing frequency and intensity of extreme weather events globally raise questions about the role of climate change. This windstorm prompts reflection on Turkey's vulnerability to such events and the need for sustainable and resilient strategies in the face of a changing climate. As Turkey mourns the lives lost and contemplates the path to recovery, the echoes of this turbulent chapter serve as a stark reminder of the unpredictable forces that nature can unleash. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. Please leave your comments below before moving on to another video.